Good evening. We have two storm systems now. The first one is a warm front. It's moving very slowly through our region. System number two is a cold front. It's going to speed up and perhaps meet with the warm front. That could present a problem. Right now, the warm front is just producing some very mild rain activity, mostly sprinkles at this point in time. A severe storm risk, though, for tomorrow. The window of concern is from approximately 2 p.m. to, I'm going to say, until 12 midnight tomorrow. It's a slight risk according to the Storm Prediction Center, but that is a risk of 2 on a scale of 1 to 5, so we need to be prepared just in case. Now, this is the area of concern. It's in the window at around 3 p.m. coming in from the west. Different pockets of intensity. They quickly move north, but more of this type of weather will be with us in the southern portion of the viewing area. Then it seems to scatter off around 7 p.m., but there's more. And finally, by about midnight, the storm activity is probably over for the area as far as the severe storm risk. But for Saturday afternoon and evening, there's the possibility of damaging winds and hail. Tornadoes are remotely possible, so please have a safety plan in place. Now, our current conditions. We have 67 degrees in Charleston, the sun trying to peek out just a little bit, pockets of rainfall. Again, most of this is sprinkle type activity through the area. That will continue tonight, an overnight low of 58. The winds will be picking up, though. They'll be constant at about 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25, and those gusts will continue to grow. Now, another concern for tomorrow, although certainly minor on the scale of things, in the scheme of things, is the rain forecast. Sunrise is at 6. By 7, we will have maybe 3/10 of an inch of rain in Decatur and Taylorville. The area of rainfall moving from west to east. By evening time, a few areas over ½ an inch of rain, and by early in the morning on Sunday, 7/10 of an inch of rain to a minimum 3/10 of an inch of rain down in Robinson to the south. Saturday, looking at your day parts, and look at those winds. They are constant, but those are not the wind gusts. The temperature can be a bit of a concern because of the warmth, especially when the warmth meets with the cold, although the cold tomorrow won't be that cold. Certainly, though, the hours of risk for the severe storm activity, a slight risk, 2 p.m. till 12 midnight, a high tomorrow of 74, and you've got your wind gusts. 7 o'clock in the morning, winds without any storm activity at more than 30 miles an hour coming from the southeast, then moving up from the south, which will keep our temperatures warm tomorrow in the afternoon. The same thing for Saturday moving into the evening, and the winds still with us Saturday, and don't feel that Sunday will be left out at all because those winds will continue. It'll be a very windy weekend at the very least as far as concerns. Now, our weekend outlook, severe storm risk on Saturday, high of 74, 67 for the high on Sunday, a few clouds and windy. And then Monday, not much wind, but it will be rainy. There's always something. This was your look at the storm damage that was done last weekend, so it's certainly a reminder to keep safe and have a plan. Here's your 7-day outlook. We're showing temperatures fairly mild, consistent with what is expected for this time of year.